Everyone dreams about becoming a millionaire. The freedom, the security, the respect, the power. But nobody tells you the part they do not show on Instagram. I have spent years talking to millionaires. Real ones, not the Instagram fake ones. And there is a side to wealth that destroys people, a side nobody warns you about, a side that makes many millionaires wish they never got there. Let me show you the dark side nobody talks about. The paranoia. When you have $1 million, you start seeing threats everywhere. Is this business partner trying to steal from me? Is this person only being nice because of my money? Can I trust anyone anymore? Rich people live with constant paranoia. Every relationship becomes suspect. Every interaction gets analyzed. Are they after my money? Do they even like me? Poor people have poor problems. They worry about rent. Millionaires worry about people. And that paranoia never goes away. It compounds. The more money you make, the more paranoid you become. The loneliness. You cannot talk to your friends about your problems anymore. You make 10 times what they make. You can't complain about business stress when they're stressed about paying bills. The gap becomes too wide. The conversations become awkward. Your old friends start to feel inferior around you. So you try to make new friends, but everyone you meet wants something from you. Money, connections, favors. You never know if they like you or like your bank account. Most millionaires are profoundly lonely. They have money, but they don't have friends who actually care about them as people. The weight of responsibility. When you're broke, your only responsibility is yourself. When you're rich, you carry everyone else's expectations. Your family now expects money. Your friends expect loans. Charities expect donations. Strangers expect handouts. Everyone has their hand out. Everyone has a reason why they need your money. Everyone believes you owe them something. The weight of being the person with money is crushing. You can't say no without feeling guilty. You can't say yes without creating dependency. The constant anxiety. Your net worth becomes your identity. One bad business decision could cost you millions. One market crash could wipe you out. One lawsuit can destroy everything. Millionaires live in constant anxiety about losing their money. That anxiety never stops. It keeps them up at night. It ruins their health. It destroys their peace. The empty victory. You finally hit your number, $1 million. You should be happy. You should be celebrating. But instead, you feel empty because the goalpost just moved. Now you need 5 million, then 10 million, then 100 million. There is no finish line. There is no moment where you finally relax and feel satisfied. The goalpost moves forever. Most millionaires confess that hitting 1 million was unclimactic. They thought it would change everything. It didn't. They were happier when they were chasing it. The relationships that break. Your family relationships change. Your spouse gets suspicious about money decisions. Your kids become entitled. Your parents expect support. Marriages break under the weight of wealth. Children grow up thinking they deserve everything. Families fracture over inheritance before anyone even dies. Millionaires often say money destroyed their family. It created resentment. It created entitlement. It created drama that would never have existed if they were poor. The moral compromises. To make your first million, you probably cut some corners. Maybe you didn't pay someone what they deserved. Maybe you took advantage of a situation. Maybe you lied on paperwork. Those compromises don't go away. They stick with you. They haunt you. They make you wonder if you actually deserve the money. Many millionaires carry guilt about how they made their money. That guilt never fully goes away. The lifestyle trap. Once you're rich, you can't go back. Your lifestyle expands to match your income. You get used to nice things, nice restaurants, nice vacations, nice cars. Then your business has a bad year. You still need to maintain the lifestyle. The money you make now goes to maintaining the lifestyle the money created. The real truth. Money solves money problems. It doesn't solve life problems. It doesn't solve loneliness. It doesn't solve anxiety. It doesn't solve relationship issues. In many cases, it makes them worse. The millionaires who are actually happy are the ones who understand this. They made their money, but they didn't let the money make them. They built wealth, but they also built real relationships and real peace. The ones who are miserable are the ones chasing the next million, thinking that number will finally make them happy. It won't. So before you chase that first million, ask yourself, am I chasing the money or am I chasing the peace? Because those are two very different things.